General knowledge. Which of these is a fruit? Tomato. Which bird do we see during the night? It's an owl. What do we call a house made of ice? Igloo. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors. How many arms does an octopus has? 8 arms. How many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. What do you call the yellow part of an egg? The yolk. How many planets are in our solar system? 8. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. How many bones are in the human body? 206.